Here we're going to be using the healing brush tool. Now the healing brush tool allows us to work more accurately with our blemishes, and in fact it also works with specifying a source area to work with. So if we right click here and if we select our healing brush tool, now what I mean by this, if we just increase the size of our brush like so, and for example if we hold down Alt and if we select this area by clicking, this is our source area, and now if we move our mouse over some areas, as you can see it's applying that source area wherever we hover our mouse. And for example, if I was to, let's just say, click and drag over her mouth just here, as you can see it's made that adjustment based upon the source area. And even if I click and hold this, you can see the cursor where the source area is, and it's applying those changes based on the source area like so. So if we do a Control Alt Z to remove those changes, okay. If we now just decrease the size of our brush and still working on that source area, we can apply pixels that are used in our source area in another location such as here, and we can make the changes like so to remove our blemishes. Okay. And again, this is just another very useful way of getting more accurate when working with our blemishes. And if we wanted to work on our eye, for example, so if we just zoom in more, and now if we just scroll a little bit here, for example, if we hold Alt just here and we want to use this area like so, we could apply this over this blemish just here with our eye like so. And again, we can, if we just decrease the size of this, in fact, hold Alt. Now if we go over these areas, we can remove these further blemishes within our eye. And now if we was to zoom out, as you can see, those adjustments have also been applied as well.